Okay. Good day everyone. So, naarapunta karon so for our another tutorial na session. So, today we will discuss or we will answer some problems about the hyperbolic functions. So, let us find its integration. Okay. But before we will proceed to these examples, review, naghatid na kog tulo ka formula, no? So, ang uban, nara dito sa tong notes, ihatag na to. So, the integral of the hyperbolic cosine u du is simply equal to the hyperbolic sine u plus c. Okay? So, kung hyperbolic cosine, then hyperbolic sine yung answer. Then hyperbolic sine u plus c. Kung hyperbolic, the integral of hyperbolic sine, hyperbolic cosine po ang answer. Then, the integral of the hyperbolic secant squared u du is just the hyperbolic tangent u plus c. So, kanina sa atong three basic na formula atong gamiton na i-apply. Okay? So, let us now proceed to our first example. Okay? So, evaluate the following integrals. Number 1, find the integral of the hyperbolic cosine 2x dx. Okay? So, klaro kayo nga 2x man siya diri. Again, mag-let din tag u, no? Let u be equal to 2x. Then, ingin ko sa inyo ha, no? Again, kung ang u na to, pariyaan ni like 2x, more than 1 na ang value, paano dito yung derivative? So, derivative, ano niya is 2 dx. Observe, wala man tayong 2 diri nga given. So, it follows that du over 2 is equal to dx. So, may tabo, we can write this as the hyperbolic cosine u times du over 2. Okay? Klaro, no? Kaya, ang value ni dx diri in terms of u is du over 2. So, again, observe na mura ratag nag-solve Japon og integration by substitution because of the u substitution. Next step here is we need to remove out 1/2. So, that would be 1/2 the integral of the hyperbolic cosine u du. Okay? So, what is the answer of this integral? Naraw sa formula. The hyperbolic sine u plus c. So, you have here 1/2 the hyperbolic sine u plus c. Now, by back substitution, we will have 1/2 hyperbolic sine. What is our u? 2x plus c. Okay? So, simple na jud kay siya if you observe how we solve that. Mag-let u lang ta, then nakaagi naman ta og integration by substitution, inaana ra Japon ang process. Okay, number 2. Okay? The integral of the hyperbolic secant squared 3x dx. Observe na natin answer ana. From the formula, yung answer is just hyperbolic tangent u plus c. Okay? Mura yung answer daw. So here, atong i-work out is by, we find u, which is 3x. Then, what is its derivative? You have 3 dx. Now, observe, there's no constant 3. Diri tapa di dx, no? Or diyan na sa gawas. So, we need to divide both sides by 3. Du over 3 is equal to dx. So, what will happen here? That becomes integral of the hyperbolic secant squared u times du over 3. No? Ang dx, gipulyan na nato du over 3. So, again, we remove out 1/3 the hyperbolic secant squared u du. So, nara, mao naman eh. No? Then, we already knew what's the answer. So, the answer is 1/3 hyperbolic tan. What is our u? 3x, then plus c. So, mo nang answer. Dali na jud kay class. Abi na to lisod, no? You just need to kanang observe the formula lang. And then, after then, identify na din nato ang mga u. Okay, let's proceed to number 3 example. Find the hyperbolic sign of 1 minus 2x with respect to x. Okay. Klaro Japon kayo, mag-let u Japon ta. Let u be equal to, okay, di nanta diri kita may kanya itong gusto. Let u be equal to 1 minus 2x. Okay, kani. Atong let u ni. So, du here is negative 2 dx. Okay, wala man tayo negative 2 constant din na. So, it follows that negative du over 2 is equal to dx. Okay, so what will happen here? Pahimo na din siyang integral of the hyperbolic sign u times du over negative 2. Okay? Then, remove out negative 1/2. So, equal to negative 1/2 the integral of hyperbolic sign u du. Okay? So, klaro kayo. Na naman na siya. Unsa na niya. Maum na. Yung answer is hyperbolic cosine u plus c. Okay, so, in other words, we can write this as negative 1/2 hyperbolic cosine u plus c. Then by back substitution, negative 1/2 cos, what is your u? 1 minus 2x then plus c. Okay, gibalik na din nato ang value ni u. Klaro? Okay. So, we have 3 examples. Let us move to the 4th example. Try to observe the 4th example. Muraguan siya gamay. The integral of hyperbolic sine x times the hyperbolic cosine squared x dx. Okay, observe na kani siya na squared ang cos. So, ato siyang i-arrange, no? Si cos squared atong ipauna. So, the integral of hyperbolic cosine squared x then times the hyperbolic sine x dx. Okay? Atong gitapad si hyperbolic sine x dx. Kung kadumdumoy namin, ang itong pattern recognition sa u substitution. Okay, mag-let u din pa. Let u be equal to the hyperbolic cosine squared x. Okay? Then what is the derivative of the hyperbolic cosine x? Naro, also yung derivative. Para hyperbolic sine x. So you have du is equal to the hyperbolic sine x with respect to x, which is already given. So, given na daan. So, what will happen here? This becomes the integral of u squared du. No? Atong u kay cos x man, so to the power of 2, so to the power of 2 na diya. So, dali na kayo. By power rule, you have here u cubed over 3 plus c. And then, by back substitution, you have 1/3. What is our u? U is the hyperbolic cosine cube x plus c. Kung dili mo ganan ani class, pwede na nyo masulat as 1/3 cos x to the power of 3 plus c. Pareha ra po na silang duha. Okay? Dili magsakit ang buot, pareha ra ni silang duha. Okay. Let's move on to example number 5. Pareha ra Japon class, burat nag-use substitution taan. Find the indefinite integral of the hyperbolic sine to the 4th x times the hyperbolic cosine x dx. Okay, klaro kayo. Mag-let u ta. Kanina good class is just the same na siya sa hyperbolic sine x to the power of 4. Pareha na sila class, pareha po dani. To the power of 2. In ana na yung equivalent cos x dx. Okay? So, klaro kaya itong let u, kanina sa sunod sa parenthesis, hyperbolic sine x. So, what is its derivative? Ano? Derivative sa, I'm sorry, asa ba ta kaganina? Derivative. What is the derivative of cos? Okay, if cos is 1, if the hyperbolic cosine x, unsa yung derivative? Sin U ra Japon, no? Okay. Correct na tayo. What is derivative of sin H? Hyperbolic. Cos ra Japon. With respect to x, which is already given here. So, dali na kayo. This becomes the integral of u to the 4th du. Then integrate by the power rule. You have u to the 5 over 5 plus c. Then by back substitution, 1 over 5. What is your u? Hyperbolic to the 5th x plus c. Okay, questions. So, yun na nakasimple ang pagkuha sa integration sa hyperbolic functions. If you have queries and questions, dito mo magbilin sa akong YouTube channel. Daghang salamat for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.